Bird nest as a delicacy is quite expensive, and it has many names like the caviar of the East and white gold due to its high status. And why is bird nest so expensive? First is scarcity. Swiftlets are wild. They can't be kept in captivity or bred using modern technology. The population only depends on the environment around it. This limits the supply of the bird nest, thus making the prices constantly high. Second is the exclusive image. Because of the scarcity factor, in the olden days, only Chinese royalties and nobilities had the privilege to consume it, which made the perception of the bird nest products even more exclusive. Third is the complicated and costly process from retrieval to retail. Bird nests used to be harvested in caves, which have high ceilings with rock or ocean bottom. This is the swiftlet's natural habitat. It's very dangerous to climb with bamboo and harvest bird nests. Now, majority of the bird nests are already harvested from farms. From there, the bird nests are transported to big cities and sold to the bird nest wholesalers. Sometimes the journey is far and dangerous, there might be robbers, etc. For bird nest processing, it's been processed with water, and during the cleaning process, its weight will be reduced by 20 to 40%, thus making it more expensive. Bird nests are packed and sent to the designated countries by plane, because bird nest is a luxury food product that needs special care and handling. If not, it can be broken or expired. So in summary, all these factors contributed to the cost of bird nests, which eventually caused an increase in the prices. And why is pristine farm bird nest affordable? For most of the bird nest companies, usually they will count the middleman redistribution costs in the bird nest prices. However, for integrated companies like Pristine Farm, we don't have any middleman costs because we get our bird nest from our own farms. That's why our bird nest is the best value for money.